Butter chicken, a timeless classic. This creamy, rich dish is an absolute must-have in everyone's recipe repertoire. So don your aprons and let's get cooking. Welcome back to Burmawala Kitchen. If you enjoy my videos, please consider subscribing and do let me know what culinary venture you'd like to embark on next. Now let's dive into this decadent dish. We'll start by marinating 500 grams of cubed chicken breast. Add a tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon each of garlic and ginger paste, and 2 tablespoons of red chili powder. Mix it thoroughly, ensuring every piece of chicken is well coated. Let it marinate for 15 minutes, allowing the spices to work their magic. Heat a 1/4 cup of oil in a pan over high heat. Once the oil is shimmering, add the marinated chicken and sear it on high heat for about 10 minutes. This will lock in all those wonderful flavors. The aroma will start to fill your kitchen, making it hard to wait. Once the chicken has achieved a beautiful golden color, remove it from the pan and let it rest. A quick note: using hex-clad pans means you can safely use metal utensils without worrying about damage. This is just a personal favorite, not a paid endorsement. In the same pan, add 3 tablespoons of butter, the undisputed star of our dish. Let it melt, filling your kitchen with its delightful scent. Now add 1 large chopped onion. Fry the onion for about 10 minutes until it softens and turns translucent. Time to add more spices: a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Mix well and watch as the vibrant red color of the Kashmiri chili transforms the onions. No need for artificial coloring here. Next, add 500 grams of chopped fresh tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of malt vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Give it another mix and fry for 5 more minutes, letting all the flavors meld beautifully. Then add 50 grams of cashews and fry for a few more minutes. Add a touch of water. Bring it to a gentle boil, cover with a lid, lower the heat to medium, and let it cook for 20 minutes or until the oil rises to the top. Give it a quick mix to bring everything together. Now it's time to blend this fragrant mixture into a smooth paste. I'll be blending it directly in the pan, thanks to the versatility of hex-clad pans. In just a minute or two you'll have a velvety, smooth, brightly coloured sauce that looks as good as it smells. Return the cooked chicken to the pan, along with half a cup of cream and 2 tablespoons of kasuri methi, known as fenugreek leaves. Give it one last mix. adding a couple more knobs of butter for good measure. Cover with a lid and let it simmer on low for 10 minutes, allowing all the flavors to marry perfectly. And there you have it, our incredibly rich and luscious butter chicken made right at home. This dish is bound to impress family and friends, surpassing any restaurant or takeaway version. Finish with a sprinkle of fine kasuri methi and freshly chopped coriander. Just look at how stunning it is. I wish you could smell it through your screen. Follow my steps, and you'll have a show-stopping meal. When serving, add a few drops of cream and use the back of a spoon to create an elegant swirl for that extra special touch. Pair it with rice or naan, and you're set for a feast. Thank you for joining me this week. Let me know where you're tuning in from and what you'd like to see next. Happy cooking!